Okay, ayan. So, kids naman, join naman sa kids naman! Yes, okay. So, bago kami magbigay ng surprise sa inyo, kids, magda-dance muna tayo together with Lala Chan. So, kids, are you ready to dance? Okay, yes. Happy day,
Pastor.
okay, everyone, hands up. Good job, and down. Ready?
Ready.
And up.
Ready.
Up. And more. Okay, good job. And more. Okay, up. Up. And more. Okay, it's living time. Everyone shake your hands. And wave. Drop your shoulders. Let's jump. Okay, good job, kids. And shake the circle. Fishing. And forward. Everyone jump. And wave. Keep pushing. Point to the right. Good job. And to the left. And turn around. Ready? Up. Up. And more. Okay, one more time. It's living time. Hooray! Okay, kids, very good. Alright, sit down na kayo lahat, kids, and ready na yung surprise sa inyo ni Lala Chan. Okay, kids, are you ready? Okay, sabay-sabay tayo ng go. In 3, 2, 1, shout, surprise! Okay, sit down lang po, sit down lang. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, surprise! Alright, okay. Okay, sa lahat ng meron ng balloons, sit down tayo, kids, sit down. Mag-group picture pa tayo with Lala Chan. Okay, sit down ulit tayo, kids. Lahat ng may balloon, sit down na po. And taas lang yung kamay yung wala pang balloon. Alright, so sa lahat ng parents, pwede na tayo pumesto dito sa harap para sa ating group picture. Okay, sit down na tayo, kids, and halap po tayo dito kay Ate Ma'am. Okay, sino pa ng balloon? Okay, lahat ng nakaupo na rin natin. Halap na tayo dito kay Ate Ma'am, kids. Alright, so sa lahat ng guardians, palari na po ng ating camera for taking a group photo. Okay, so kids, magpa-practice tayo, kids. Okay, everyone, hand up muna, hand up. Hand up and shake, shake, shake. Alright, good job, kids.